Hi guys! Ayan, kain tayo ng atis, pampaganda ng kutis. Ayan. Alam niyo po ba na ang atis kulit sugar apple? Ayan, ito po ay magandang nagdi-detox siya kasi kiniklensin po kayo po niya yung ating stomach. Ayan, so ito yung mukbang natin to guys. Ayan, apat na to. And then kinaumagahan, ang ganda ng pagpupupo kasi kiniklensin niya yung ating bituka. Ayan. So, napakasarap niyo po. I-try po. Ayan. At very native po siya. Ayan. At matamis. Super tamis. At natural po. Natural. Organic yung kanyang sugar. Because it is an apple sugar. Ayan. So, try it. Ayan po. Medyo mahirap lang po siyang kainin kasi mabusisi siyang kainin. Kasi marami siyang buto. Ayan. But then, inside it, ayan, yung buto, tinatanggal po siya. Hindi po yung kinakain yung buto, ha? Yung pong pinaka-coating lang ng buto niya, yun yung matamis. Ayan. So, siguro sa inyong place, and before, nasa Hong Kong ako, natikman ko rito. Yung napakalaki yung kanilang atis doon. But then, it's not like the same na yung atis natin na organic dito na maliit siya. So, yan guys, ay suggest sa inyo na kung may mga atis kayo, try nyo po. Yung iba kasi hindi sila mahilig talaga kumain ng atis. But for me, I love atis. Ayan, atis, yan, ganyan yung, we call it locally known as apple sugar. And ito yung katumbas nito yung, yung bayabas guava. Ayan, rich in vitamin C, and then meron nga po siyang natural sugar. Ayan, so it's very good that you will eat some fruits para maging malakas tayo at ma-boost yung ating energy system. Ayan, magkaroon tayo ng booster sa katawan natin. Hindi tayo puro inom ng mga synthetic na gamot or either mga food supplement, but then we need to eat natural foods. Ayan. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I think this is medyo short lang po ito. Kasi habang kumakain ako nito ay nandun na sinishare ko sa inyo yung kagandahan ng sugar apple. Ayan, yung atis. We call it atis. At sabi nga, bugtong-bugtong ang pinaka-ati ng mga ati. Ito ay atis. Ayan. So yun po. At maraming salamat po. God bless everyone. Ayan guys, pinapasalamatan ko po yung mga walang support lagi ng mga members ko. Yan, unang na si Ate Bibi TV, Elsa Mercadero, Susan Bonita, ayan, si Mildred Onadero from Japan, Mananas in Japan, ayan, at sila Wing TV, ayan, at marami pang iba na laging nagsusupport guys. Ayan. So thank you so much and God bless again and again, once again. At yung mga po friendship natin, nag-support din kila Inpit TV, ayan, sila Pasaway Vlog, si Lisa Jane Caballero. Ayan, so shout out po sa lahat ng mga tumutulong po guys. Ayan, so hope that we will be support more, counting more sa YT world. So, ayan po, God bless once again. Ayan, nag-iiwan po ng isang paalala na love one another as God love us so much. So, give love, give a smile to each and every one. Love your enemy. When it is so good, we can love our enemy through giving something, showing that it's not by emotion, it's not by force only that we can show our love, but sabi nga, you cannot love without giving. You can give without love, but you cannot love without giving. So as soon as God gave us Jesus as a ransom for our sins, and because He loves us. Love you all. God bless.